Are you experiencing pain? Remember, where there's pain, there's inflammation. When you have pain or inflammation, think quercetin, the best natural compound to find relief from pain. Quercetin is the most potent and highly studied of all the plant flavonoids. Many studies on it done every single day practically. I'm going to show you the forms I use and the forms I would not use. I never use an unidentified quercetin, which can be from the bark of a tree or another substance that we do not know where it's from. And it may not be very available and it may not be very safe. I always use quercetin dehydrate from a very particular plant. I always use it in combination with a few other synergistic factors like pomegranate, another great antioxidant, and OPC, grapeseed pip. If you're interested in knowing more about this professional grade, specialized combination formula of quercetin that I use, hop over to alkalinforlife.com. If you want to learn more about my ideas, follow me and write your questions in the comments. We'll try to respond to them.